Okay. So, all right, first let's see what we got going on. Oh, no. What is bullying? Well, I'll show you. Now, bullying, when a person feels the need to be stronger than someone else by hurting or intimidating them on purpose again and again. Now, bullying is very different from conflicts. Now, think of a conflict as an opportunity to communicate with someone else. Tell them how you really feel. Because conflicts happen when someone says or does something that you find unkind, but it only happens once, often by accident, between people with equal power. I'm talking friends, family, classmates, teammates, people with a positive relationship. Because if there's a positive relationship, well, then there's equal power. And this is when you physically hurt or intimidate someone else on purpose again and again. But there's also a very serious problem called real fighting. Real fighting is so serious that it's even more serious than bullying. Because whereas bullying happens again and again, real fighting only needs to happen once to be considered a real serious problem. Because hitting and kicking someone, never allowed in school. So, what I want to do now is I want to give this box a name. A distinguished name. A name like no other. A very unique name. What should we name the box? We're going to go with Bob. That's a lot of options, but I think that it opens up. Now, Tom is all about violence. But there's no violence on my watch, especially in school. Now, I'm very observant. Nothing goes on behind my back, nothing that I can't see, because I am never caught by surprise. Bullying. So,
Yeah, that's a good rule.
that's why it's rule number 1. No bullying.
Yeah, now that won't happen because we all know what bullying is. All right.
Don't wait, Tom. We already went over rule number 4.
You got yourself a job.
All right, so first, what is your name?
Jerry.
Shit. What a great name. What the best name. So, Jerry, thanks for helping us out, because you're going to become our resident professional.
Very fancy.
All right. So what that means is that you're going to have all the answers to solve the problem of bullying right here, right now.
First step.
I'm going to ask you a series of questions, and I want you to answer them truthfully.
Oh.
I'm also going to need the help of the audience. Because you will solve it out.
Today's 3 contestants are Michaela, Sarah, Megan, Sarah, come on down. And I need Adam. Adam, Jay, come on down. And finally, our last contestant is going to be Mrs. Flaherty. Mrs. Flaherty, come on down.
Okay, so. All right, everybody, welcome back to the live. This is Jerry coming at you from the beach. Got some ice cream here, but it's too much for me to eat. So I'm gonna ask my cousin Tom if he wants some ice cream. Want some ice cream, Tom?
I would love some ice cream. Thanks, Jerry. You know, it's so hot today. And I was just thinking about some ice. You read my mind. I'm gonna really really enjoyed this ice cream. Thanks, you're the best cousin ever. Plop! Oh!
Dude, you just dropped it on my shoe. Are you out of your mind? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's get out of here, Tom.
Yeah.
That was great. Now I'm going to take you all out and buy you double scoops of ice cream.
Double scoop!
Double scoops.
Flash forward!
All right, let's give a big round of applause for all our contestants. They got full. Bullying is we won't do it. Rule number 2.
Rule number 2. If we see someone being bullied, we'll try to help and show empathy because that is the right thing to do. Rule number 3.
Rule number 3. You will try to include students who are feeling left out. Everyone should have someone to be with. And rule number 4.
Rule number 4. If we know that someone is being bullied, we will tell an adult at home and an adult here at school. Because that's telling.
Telling takes courage. Thanks a lot, everyone. My real name is Johnny.
My real name is Big Daniel.
And if you took photos or videos of the show today, we hope you'll share on social media by tagging us at BoxOutBullying. And if you'd like to refer us to your friends or colleagues, please have them visit our website at
BoxOutBullying.com.
Thanks a lot, everyone.